I'm not gonna act like, hey, why did you step on my clocks? That's my brand new clocks, man. I'm gonna beat you up after this. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that. Okay. Okay?
Welcome back to 876 Jamaica. On topic, this is Sean. Now in this update, we have 11th grade student beat 8th grade student just for stepping on his clocks. Now we all remember back in the days when Vybz Kartel dropped the clock song. I mean, clocks was the number one thing back then and still is now. But imagine a child idolizing a shoes and beating the next child unconsciously. Yo, none all that no look good, that no sound good. Neither does it look good on the parents. For me, I feel like this child that did this, I feel like the parents are absent, that this child is not getting proper parenting. I see neglect, I see hurt, I see rage, I see anger. No, it's really sad to know that a child can idolize a material thing or idolize anything to beat another child unconscious.
I have to transfer him because of the whole system here. The machines are all down, and we have some offer from Christopher Tuxton that he will call the hospital and he will deal with it. He will do take up the medical costs and everything.
These are the young men being honored who helped their schoolmate, the 8th grader, to get medical help and assistance. Do remember to leave a like on this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what are your views down below in the comment section. See you in the next video.
What else would happen if someone step on your clocks?
I would just say like if they say sorry, if I'm a bigger boy, like bigger, and they stepped on my clocks, and they say sorry, I would just say it's fine. I will brush it off and I go home. So like I'm not gonna act like, hey, why did you step on my clocks? That's my brand new clocks, man. I'm gonna beat you up after this. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that. Okay. Okay. Now. So I wanted to say something. I just want to say something. People, just listen, okay? I don't want you to act like this while I'm saying it, okay? It's not funny this time. Some people don't pray to God and they watch demon stuff and they praise the demon and then no. This is the tense part. And then no. They act like the demon and a few minutes later they are the demon. So you see these people right here, me the famous one that's talking? Praise God. So is you. Don't let the demons come between you, or else you will act like that, okay? Don't fight at school either. I forgot to say that. My mom reminded me. But boys, if a little kid step on your clocks, and they say sorry, just don't be aggressive, okay?
Because it's just the shoes, baby.
It's just a nice shoes, right? And they say sorry, just say it's fine. I will brush it off and I'll go home. But not like this. Hey, why you step on my clothes, man? After school, I'm gonna beat you up after this. Don't fight at school, okay? That's devilish, okay?